Hi, it's Steve from Parts Select. In this video, we'll show you how we made a portable backyard fire pit using a discarded lawn mower and an inner basket from a washing machine. In regards to the wash tub, be sure to check out our other video on how to build a backyard fire pit using a washer drum. In that video, we show you in detail how to remove a wash basket from a front load washer. Now before we begin this project, we'll want to make sure that we have the proper tools to do the job. First of all, you're going to need an assortment of wrenches and perhaps some screwdrivers to remove any of the components that are on the mower deck. Next, we'll need to clean up that surface, so you're going to want either an angle grinder or a sander, wire brushes, that type of thing to remove all of that loose paint and rust. And finally, when it comes time to mount our wash basket to our mower deck, you'll need a portable drill and an assortment of hardware. Our first step will be to remove the cables and pull cord and any items that are attached to the deck. Now, once we've got the cable and pull cord disconnected from the handlebars, we're ready to move on to our next step. We're going to flip the mower over. We'll remove the blade and then the mounting bolts that secure the engine to the deck. Now that we've removed the engine, we'll be sure to dispose of it properly. Now our next step will be to remove this grass chute. We'll just remove the two nuts from these carriage bolts. And we'll discard all of that. Now if you're planning on painting your deck, you'll next want to remove the wheels. Now that we have all the wheels off, the only thing remaining on this particular model is the shield at the back. And if you're planning on painting your mower deck, you'll want to remove the handle as well. Now we're ready to clean up this deck. Now if you just have some loose paint on there, you can probably get away with just using a wire brush and knock the loose stuff off. Try to feather out the edges as much as you can. If you have some rust on there, you'll probably want to use an angle grinder with a sanding disc on it to remove all of that. Now, once we knocked some of the paint off of this mower deck, we noticed it was in a little worse shape than we thought. However, it will still do the job nicely. We've also found a backing plate from the washer tub that we're going to put on it. So we're going to bolt that in here next, and that'll just set the tub up a little bit higher for us. Now that we have our adapter plate installed, we're all set to give it a coat of paint. Be sure to wear protective eyewear and some gloves, and go at her. There, we've got everything covered. We're just going to let it sit for a day. Once we've let it dry good, we're going to go ahead and put the wheels back on, put our handlebars back on, and then we'll take her out for a burn. Well, we're back. Our paint job has dried out and it looks really awesome, we think. Now our next step was to put the wheels and the handlebars on, but we thought, is there some way that we can get that tub up a little bit higher off of that deck to protect the paint? So we dug out the old bearing housing and we're going to bolt it right on top of this plate, and that'll raise our tub up so it's high enough and it should protect the finish on our mower deck. Now our next step will be to put the handlebars on. So we'll start on one side, install a single bolt. Now that the handlebars are firmly attached, we'll go ahead and put the wheels on next. Well, now we're all set to put the wash basket in. And there we go. Well, we're pretty happy with our creation here. There's only one thing left to do. Let's take it out for a burn. Well, it certainly looks dark enough for me. I think it's time we spark this up. As you can see, our mobile fire pit turned out pretty darn nice. If you have any ideas of how you'd like to build one, be sure to share them in the comments section below. For more videos on appliance repair, maintenance, and cleaning tips, be sure to visit our website. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.